So just documenting this, working on an iPhone XS, taking the glass off the back to replace it with new glass. So I'm gonna do kind of a video lapse. I'm gonna do every 10 minutes because it's quite slow and painful. I've been on that 10 minutes so far, so I'm going to carry on. Okay, 10 minutes later, and that's the progress. Slow and painful. So I'm going to go to every 15 minutes now. Okay, 15 minutes later, there you go. Slow and painful. Don't forget to wear your gloves. Okay, another 20 minutes. Speed it up a little bit there, not too bad. A little bit to go. 20 minutes again. Just a little bit left. Slow, but getting there. Okay, 20 minutes. Another. I'll have to add that up, but I think that was about 2 hours all in all. Still got a little bit to do by the camera, around the edges, cleaning up. So I'll do that and see if the back will fit, the new back. So after a little bit more clean up, just cleaned around the edges, around the camera, ready for the new back. And I've got it here, so not bad fit. So that's ready to be glued and clamped, and I'll show that stage next. Okay, so final result, glued on. So yeah, doesn't look too bad.